Hello traders, welcome to my live trading today. Okay, so if you want to receive the scalping signal today, let's join in now because I just uploaded a scalping signal on my live stream today. Be on time and you will receive your gift. Okay, so let's see the entry zone. And now, four price left. It will reach to the entry zone. Now when I post this signal, the current price level is about 33.61. Have a nice day, everyone. Okay, check the stop loss. Okay, it's maybe 70. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so it's moving to the entry zone closely. Hello, Little Fate. Hello, Bravey. Okay, you're so on time. Thank you very much. And today is already Friday and TGIF. But in the New York session, we will have the most important news of the week. Okay, of the month. That is, non-farm payrolls. Yes, exactly. Okay, so this will be released about 1 hour and a half later. And now, as you can see on the chart, that I am opening the 1 hour time frame. Okay. And on my Telegram channel, I also uploaded my gold trading plan. So if you want to receive the latest information about your trading gold or crypto analysis report, you can join in my free community on Telegram by clicking to the link that I put in the description box. Hello friends. Oh wow, my friends is coming. My friends are coming. The number of viewers is keep on increasing. Okay guys, invite your friends to join in. The more the funnier, right? Today is still coughing, but touch wood is less. It's less than the days before. Okay, so let's see a bit. By the way, we can refer this non-farm employment change based on the ADP non-farm. As you can see that last Wednesday, the actual number is lower than forecast, and even though previous month. Okay, and this is the good signal. This is the good signal for the US for the gold. Positive gold, but opposite negative for US economy. And also, as you can hear about news recently before the battlefield between Mr. President Donald Trump and billionaire Elon Musk, right? Okay. Yesterday gold reactions. Okay, so these are the market is based on the sharply decreasing momentum, right? It's under a lot of pressure from this peak. of 34.03. 34.03. Even though that I still remember the last day, yesterday, the news. Okay, let me check a bit about yesterday news. Okay, unemployment claims, and these are the negative for gold. Negative for gold, but okay, so this is the positive for US economy, but negative for gold, right? So it's facing to the sharply decrease here. And now in today's session, you can see that the market keep on recover slightly. Okay, it's have the adjustment here, and now it's already adjust half of the wave of this candlestick, right? And gold is still stuck between this area. So I can identify these are the right zone movement of the gold movement until next week. And come back to the Forex Factory, that we will have the non-farm employment change, but it still have slightly related to the ADP non-farm. We can refer this data. Yes, actually at the moment the actual data is lower than the previous one, so you can refer for this data for the non-farm payroll today. But I will consider about the selling zone. Okay, we will consider about the selling zone, because now I'm drawing the rectangle on the box to indicate the price movement zone. Okay, the price movement zone. We need to identify the limitations first. Okay, and then we will identify the current trend. And now we can say that the market is kind of sideways, moving sideways in a smaller range here. Okay, so about two price left. Okay, it's just reached to the 64. It just reached to the 34, so it's coming to the price level, the entry zone today of the sell scalping signal. Okay, let's see, because this is scalping and I do the analysis based on the EMA. Okay, let's go back to the smaller time frames. Yeah. Okay, so you can see that there could be a trend line here, right? Okay, and let's see the market support our signals or not. And there's could be the resistance zone here. You see the confluence for this gapping signal. Okay, game set, and just waiting for the result. Good luck all of us. Okay, hello Bear. Okay, yeah, now it's just 1 hour and 9 p.m. in France time. Yeah. one p.m. in France now. Yeah. Okay, so another videos that I uploaded on my YouTube channel, you must pay attention to the topic about the Nova Magic, so that you can understand and take your experience. experience, because this is how I set up the entry. Okay, this is how I set up an entry zone for the scalping signals. Okay, so you watch it because I make it very simple. No voices, record just video back test videos. Okay, and I hope that you can watch it times by times and take note to the analysis that I'm using to have your own experience, your lessons, to set up yourself a scalping signal. Okay. And on the left corner of the chart, you can see the signal from my gold trading plan today. Okay, and yesterday my trading plan about the entry zone buy signal. Let me check. Buy signal at 33.44 to 33.46. We gained more than 100 pips. Yeah, yesterday. And I also prepared the video and upload the informations on my channel, both channels on YouTube and Telegram channel. So those are all free gift, and anyone want to receive my free signal, you can join in my community on Telegram and join in my live trading sessions. Okay, super easy for you. Okay, so let's come back to the bigger time frames to see that the price movement can be, the gold can be today, non-farm payrolls. You know that in the, especially for this news, in 1 minute, price can move up to 10 price or 30 price is very normal. Okay, so we very need to pay attention to when we trade this important news of the month. Okay, and that is just all things that I want to share with you. Just pay attention to it. Okay. Okay, meanwhile waiting, let's see the market moving. So yes, there's a trend line down here. There's a trend line down here, and yes, all the time I'm using trend line to draw and identify the current trend. Okay. Okay guys, you can consider entering small lots at this entry zone 62. Okay, you can consider active small lot now at the price zone 33.62. Okay, sorry that for my communications that when it just touched 64, I mean that you can activate small lot when the price touch to the 64 price zone, but now it's just 61. It's not safe for us much. Okay, just wait. Normally price will be acting slow before the news release. Okay, and the market will have a big volatility near the time frames the news release. Okay, so we need to pay attention to when right after I off my stream today, because I pay attention to the chart just about 30 minutes to any important news release. The market will have big fluctuations. Okay, and we should limit to trade near the time zone of the news release. Yeah, we're still waiting for this signal. We're still waiting for the signal active. And anyone in the entry zone 64? Anyone? Oh yeah, it's just a missing typo here. Three. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so yeah, as you can see that this is a trend line I identify based on the two current bottom, okay, on the box. And this is the small trend line that I draw in 5-minute time frames, but the bigger one will start from this peak. Yeah, you will choose this candle peaks close to here. So this is the shape, right? Okay, so I would like to delete it. Yeah, because the trend line of bigger time frame will have more effect to the signals, okay, to the market movement. And yes, this is the pattern that's exactly the same that I draw on my last streaming, right? On yeah, Wednesday. And let's see the market choose weak sign. Now it's under the bearish. It's already under the bearish. And also the internet wireless internet connections, that maybe sometimes their delay that is lower than 5 seconds. It's lower than 5 seconds, and yeah, because of the delay, so we sometimes miss the entry zone, the good position. So if anyone entered the entry zone 64, yeah, so you already have the 40 pips, but I'm not sure that you all get in. The triple bottom isn't dangerous. Yeah, all things will be dangerous if you're trading. Okay, it depends to each person analysis, and when you trade, you accept the danger and also the risk. Okay, let's see that it could match our signal today or not. Okay, besides the non-farm employment change, we will have another unemployment rate and average hourly earning month over month. Okay, but the most important news of today, yeah, the superstar is still belong to non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change. And in order to prevent the risk that you will have the stop loss, so we always be patient to wait the market reactions right after 15 to 20 minutes the market the data release. Okay, it's always should be. Time frame 5 minutes, which pattern? Okay, this is 1 hour, so let's go back. Okay, you can see that it's still closely to the peak, right? Yeah, so it just have the quick reactions than I expected. Just touch this 64 and then the market dropped, the price dropped. What a pity if we miss. Okay, so guys, anyone in the entry zone 64? Yeah, I tried to public the signal early today, but the market is not to the exact entry zone, and there's a delay when I open the stream and 5 seconds. Yeah, it just the lightning. It's like lightning, it just touched the 64.3. Yeah, and then it dropped 40 pips. Now okay, so no worries that we will wait for another signal, and I still keep it. Okay, and I still keep it the signal. This one will be active. Okay. Hello Muhammad, thank you for your asking. Yeah, that's good today that I feel better than this day before. Even though I still cough a lot, but yeah, but thanks to the medicines and your energy, positive energy show to me, so I feel very good today. Oh, what a pity. What a pity that 40 pips running from the entry zone 64. You see that? Keep on bearish. Keep on bearish. So hate the delay, right? 5-second delay that you missed the entry zone 64. 64.3. Yeah, 33 and 64.3. And now, yeah, 40 pips from that entry zone is running. And right, let me check the clock. About one hour later, the news about the non-farm payroll will be released. So if it touched, this is our attention to, yeah, the mark of 33 and 53. 33 and 53 will be our mark. If this breakdown, okay, you know what to do. And if the price coming back, have the bearish, have the bullish momentum once again from this support, and it will coming back to the current, it will head to the current peak, that's 33 and 67. Okay, so now whenever I choose the time to have a live trading session with you, That time the market choosing the side, and you can see that it become more and more narrowed. Okay, it's become more and more narrowed at the moment. There's the triangle I usually use by the combinations between up two trend line. Once it's on the top and once it's from the below, the bottom. Okay, so we easily to identify the price movement zone. That's the most important things when we set up any trade. Predict the price zone movement. Predict the price zone movement zone. Okay, so this is the safety for your setup. And you need to know where you set the stop loss and also you set the TP. Not every time you open your phone and then you enter any buy or sell signal, buy or sell button. It's just a flash, right? It's just a flash when you're touching to those points, those buttons, but the consequence and the result will be very effective, very big. So we always pay attention to our decision. Anything happens quickly, it's always bring a lot of severe or good result. Okay, so let me check once again about the entry zone of today gold trading plan. Do you still remember the buy scalping signal at the entry zone 33 and 55 that I offered to all of you on my last Wednesday live session? Right after I ended my stream, you know that the price is fly up to 33 and 70. Yeah, 33 and 70, and that is when the market choose the buyers. Okay, the market choose the buyer's side. And so now the price is still moving between the buy and sell signal according to my gold daily plan. And a little reminder for all of you that we shouldn't hold any trades until next week if you are scalper. Okay, if you are scalper, we should close all the trades that we open today and never. And if you don't feel confident, you shouldn't keep it. You shouldn't keep them until next week, because yes, always on the early Asian session on Monday, the market always have a big gap, and we don't know that is gap up or down. Okay, every week, every beginning of the week, always have the big discrepancy. Yeah. Hello, Morteza. Yeah, what do you want to talk with me? Oh, sorry that I just saw that the bot deleted your comment. If you want to ask me something, you can send me a direct message on my Telegram channel by clicking to the link. Okay, and you can find me easily. Because I cannot control the bot now, and it already deleted your comment. So sorry for the inconvenience. So now the price will have the thin body, and yeah, you can see that it's on the crossover of the 3 EMA, and this indicates for the sideways of the market. Now it's very good. Now the market is challenging our patience. Yeah, very thin body with the long wick of 2 signs. Okay, Ali, thank you very much. Yeah, I will recover very, very soon. I hope that this cough will end next week. Okay, and I'm gonna have about 3 live sessions with you next week. Yeah, much more than this week. And those schedules is flexible, you know. Whenever I feel that I can arrange my time, so I will hold a lot of live trading sessions with you. It's fun, right? It's fun because I can interact with you. I can express my analysis, my thoughts about the market to you, to all of you directly. Yeah, and I can also hear a lot of stories that you share with me on the comments of the stream. Hello, self-made. Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. It's kind of upset that the market is sideways again at the moment. You can see that the bodies of the candles is very thin, right? And now it's have the conflict between the buyers and the sellers, and the shark is waiting for somewhere that we do not know. Now, we will know about 1 hour later when 3 red news of today release. Whenever you see a big engulfing, no matter what, bullish or bearish engulfing candles, you know that the start of the candles is the limit orders. There would be thousands of orders of the sharks placing that area. Yeah. So I don't know what you're feeling, but every time I see those big engulfing candles, wow, it's so exciting for me. Yeah, and it's much more happy if it's follow my analysis. Yeah, it's don't adjust. Just 60 seconds that you have 100 pips. Wow, you can imagine that feeling. It happened to me. So, but we never pay less attention to the market. Okay, especially when the Trump era. He is the big players in all financial markets: stocks, crypto, forex, gold, yeah, everything. Just after his tweet or his speak, things gonna change quickly. So in the Trump era, like this, we must always pay attention to trading, especially stocks. So if anyone buy the stocks of Tesla, yeah, there's a battle between the Elon Musk and Mr. President Donald Trump at the moment. So it's kind of shame because I believe that in the beginning there was a good relationships between those friends. I can call them friends because Mr. Elon Musk support Mr. President Donald Trump a lot, okay, before the election. And yeah, I believe that it was happen. But now the benefit is affected, right? The benefit is affected, so it's absolutely break up. And the Doge department is closed. Yeah, closed officially. So playing with Trump is like playing with fire. So it's kind of pity for me. I know that when I read the article or the news about the battle of Elon Musk and Donald Trump, I know why there's a pity emotions from me. Yeah, that's just my feeling. But and this is also the reminder for us that the markets, it will be always have the big surprise and big fluctuations that we do not know. Okay, so now it's coming back to the 60. Yeah, it's coming back to the 60, and you can active. Yeah, you can consider a bit. Consider your entry zone. Okay, guys. And if you want to have a good positions, you can wait until for this 65 to 67. But if you don't want to miss any opportunity, if you don't want to miss any opportunity to your scalping signal, okay, whenever it touches to the 64 bright zone, you can consider, you can active your small lot in advance. Yeah, we can accept risk, but with the small lot. Yeah, that's the good advice, I believe so. Yeah, thank you, Ellie. Hello, Joker. How long have you been a profitable trader? It took about 3 years. Yeah, you know, I already had the profit in the beginning of my trading journey, but it not last long because those time that I share with you on the stories I uploaded on the videos on the YouTube channel. Yeah, there's a lot of things that I had lessons. And the more you the quickly the quickly you have the profit, the more chance you will lose it, because those time I'm just a beginner and I don't know about the risk management. I had to pay a lot of harmful and severe lesson to become now, and even up till now there's a lot of unexpected events comes to me, even though the stop loss, yeah, and we need to accept it like a part of the game. Always setting that mindset. Yeah, always setting that mindset, and we need to reduce the risk, okay, more than increase the profit. Okay, so it's now dropping to the 62 bright zone. So anyone in the bright zone 64, anyone? Anyone in the entry zone 64 right after is coming back to the trend line. Okay, so let's come back to 15-minute time frames. Okay, 14k, so you can consider it also depends to your psychology. You know that when you enter a trade with any loss, the relative rise, money will follow. And if you want to, yeah, this is the big capital, yeah, as I consider. But if you're just the new guy, you just practice trade, just start with small lots in advance, okay, and start with 0.1. Macro is too tiny. Yeah, you can try with 0.1. And then you increasing steadily, gradually, increasing your volume gradually. Okay. Hello Vinay, do you have any learning video of your strategy? Okay, you can find my videos on YouTube, especially the Nova Magic. Okay, now it's already I released part 10, about 10 videos about the Nova Magic trading method, so you can watch them because those are the back test video I recorded, and I show you guys how the exact of my scalping signal, and you can see the back test movement and also my setup area, setup entry zone, and you can write down this lesson so that this is another lessons for you. It's not about the theory, it's about how you applied it, how you practice. Okay, and about 4 minutes left that the 15 minutes candle will be closed. 4 minutes, and I have the warning with you that if the candle bodies it close above this EMA, we will close this sell signal, because that time I realized that the market chose the buyers, and it also have second reaction at the entry zone 64, but for the third time, if it breaks the trend line, the bolus is already in the game, not the bearish anymore. Okay, so let's see the reactions of the market right after 15-minute candles happen. Okay. Okay, you're welcome. Oh, hello Chung, 33 and 63. Okay, 10 pips for you. That's just fine. And now I'm still waiting for the market, which size they are choosing. And for any scalping signal, you have to see the body, the positions of the body of the candle body is very important for you, especially when you use it confluence with EMA. Oh, now it's coming back 60. Congratulations June, that you already gained 30 pips for you. No, not yet. We need to see the body candle reactions of 15-minute time frames. Okay, about 2 minutes that we have the decision to keep this signal or not. Okay, because this time is kind of sensitive because it's nearly to the news release, the non-farm payrolls, and it's very easy for the sharks hunting whenever the news, especially the red news, that time sharks is hunting. Okay, anyone, if you gained about 30 pips, you can consider closing a part of your trade and hold the rest for the further take profit. Okay, make sure that you have profit, you have money in your pocket, and this action will help you less pressure when you trade. And about the break about the break even, we can consider, but about 30 pips running for the profit, moving stop loss to the entry is kind of risky for us to hold the rest part of the volume to the bigger profit, because you know that the price will easily coming back to the entry zone. It will increasing the equal rate when you set the break even. Okay, you can see that right after you gained 30 pip, and now the market movement is coming back to the 63 area. Okay, so now we observing the chart of 15-minute time frames, and now I'm waiting for the market movement about 10 seconds later, so that the market will choose the buyers or the sellers. We will base on the bodies of the candle wicks. You see that the green, it turned into green once again. Okay guys, so yeah, we will cancel this signal, right? And if you want anyone still keep this, don't worry, we will still have a lot of opportunity to make it again. Yeah, the body of the candles of 15-minute time frame will close at the green one, and now just have a slightly adjustment before the buyers jumping to the game. Just your safety, and if you want to risk with the market, yeah, you can do it. You can do it with your own decisions. So those are just my personal advice, and you can follow or not, yeah, freely. And I want to reduce much losing risk for all of you, especially when you join in my live stream. Okay, and yesterday the market is very challenging, you know, the market is very challenging. You can see that those are the long wicks, yeah. Those long wicks indicates that the markets have big volatility. Well, if we set the stop loss here, it hit the stop loss and it's coming back to follows our analysis. It's torturing us, yeah, you know. Hello Liwa. Yeah, I mean that the candle closed below, above the EMA. Okay, and I believe that the market is already chose the buyers, but now it's just a slightly adjustment of the market. Nothing increased forever, but yeah, we need to make sure that we save first. It's dropping. It's dropping whenever just right after I advise you to close the trade, and yeah, it's drop it. The markets know how to blaze. Sometimes it's gonna be easy, but sometimes it's not. Hello Vinay. Okay, my reason for the sell signal, I use the confluence between the trend line I draw in. Okay, yeah, you can see that the trend line here confluence with the resistance here, so that I set up the sell signal at this area. But the market already hit the 64 level 2 times and coming back to 62, 63. So I'm not confident enough to hold this sell signal for long. Okay, sometimes the market scare me. And now it is. No problem. Wow, sorry. So today is not market is not support as much, right? Okay, so no worries. There will be 3 live trading sessions to all of you next week. Okay, there's a lot of opportunities for you, and if you want to receive more scalping signal, you can join my VIP signal group. You know, many scalping signals for you, from the early Asian session to the late New York. Okay. Oh, it's dropping to 58. Oh, you still stay in the trade? From the entry zone 63, don't you? Hello, Jahanna. Your balance is $2,500. So, okay, you can start with 0.1 for each trade first. But remember, one price movement, it will have $10. Okay, it will increase or decrease $10. We follow the risk management lesson is about 1 to 2%, right? But it's also depends to your psychology when you see the money moving. Okay, and yeah, just try with 0.1 first, and if you feel enough confident, you can increase it gradually, but the maximum will be 0.2 only. This will be your safe volume range, okay, to protect your capital. Trading non-farm. I'm sorry that just about 6 minutes left that I have to off my live trading today. And whenever the news release, I need to pay a lot of attention to the VIP signal group. So if you want to trade new with me, okay, you can join my signal groups, okay, and I will upload it. I will update it about the special news that I do the analysis on my channel. But if you want to receive a scalping signal to trade news, you can join my VIP signal group and send me the direct message on the link that I put in the description box so that I can instruct you to join in my VIP signal group. Okay, super fast, super easy. Okay, thank you very much for your understanding. And yeah, we still have 5 minutes left, so anyone want to ask me something? Okay, thank you for your all flying hearts. Thank you very much. And don't forget to like and subscribe Nova YouTube to receive the notifications whenever I have the stream session. Okay, if you're in my stream on time, you will receive the early scalping signal. Yeah, we never know what will gonna be happen, right? And thank you very much for your kind support to Nova for all the times and trusting me, choosing me as your fellows on this severe trading journey. Okay, so now, yeah, you can see that the price is moving more and more narrowed. Okay, more and more narrowed, and you can take the screenshot for this analysis. And right after the news release, non-farm payroll release, we can identify which is the best entry zone based on this trend line. Trend is our friends. Okay, trend is our friend. So we follow them, we follow the market decision. Which side the market choose. That could be better for us to trade. Okay. Yeah, the market's moving sideways again. And thank you very much, guys, that you're already in with me for nearly 1 hour. And see you next week with the more live trading sessions. And hopefully that luck will with us and the market support us. Okay, see you next week. Bye bye. Have a good day.